welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're starting off today's video already in the car. I always love racing this car, but there is a downfall, and I will go ahead and show you guys right now. See, now I don't know if you guys caught that, but I'm having to lift my foot off the gas, and that, you know what that is right there? That's wasting time right there. So today we're gonna go ahead and be adding that little part called the Wot Box that we also love in the Shelby GT500. So that way we can go ahead and get some more pulls, more so like So in order to get the Wot Box going, we are actually back at Automotive Pros. They're actually the ones who installed a lot of the stuff for the Shelby. So we're gonna go ahead and have them install it on the Cobra. Again, they did it before, so obviously I trust them. I have no issues with the Shelby, with any of the stuff they've done. So I am gonna go ahead and drop it off, and then I'm gonna head back home. I gotta get a new tune, as well as get the Wot Box program and all that stuff downloaded. So we're gonna go ahead and do that at the house. And we'll go ahead and pick it up once we get back, because this should only take I don't know, maybe a few hours or so. They're just gonna go ahead and work on it throughout the day. So we are back at Automotive Pros. We're gonna go ahead and upload the new tune that we got from VMP. So there we go. We're gonna go ahead and let that load. You go ahead and see they actually installed it right in here. Shout out to Chris at Automotive Pros. He's actually the one that did the installation. Honestly, I actually like this location a little bit better than the Shelby. The Shelby one is actually at the corner at the bottom down there. This is just easier to actually reach to a laptop. So we're gonna go ahead and let the tune load up, and then we'll go ahead and actually set up the Wot Box. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the no lift shift at a stationary. Obviously, we're gonna go ahead and just rev it up and just push the clutch down. If the card cuts out, then we know that it's pretty much, it's good to go. So we're gonna just rev it up. So it seems like everything's working. That's pretty much what we're looking at.
So now it does it?
Yeah,
Can I hear it?
I'm just curious.
Yeah, so basically, so that drops, that's the no lift shift.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now,
So you don't have to lift.
yeah, that's a two-step.
That shit's wet, Hey, this should spit flames for sure. Huh?
It should. Shout out to the Estrella. She's over here waiting in the Focus for me. We're gonna go ahead and test this thing out right now on the freeway. On the way home. Nothing crazy though. Get on the freeway right now. We got the R7 right here. I love this radar. It's saved me plenty of times already. Link is always in the description for any of the stuff I use. I highly recommend. Looks like we got a Camaro pulling up on my left real quick. Oh baby. Let's see if he'll get it. I don't know if he'll get a run in. Well, he definitely did not want it, but we're gonna go ahead and test out the no lift shift anyways. So we're just gonna do a third gear real quick, third or fourth, pretty much to see how that reacts. Never mind, that's picking up a CHP radar. Alright, I think I'm clear now. So third gear into fourth. Okay. Not bad, we're gonna go ahead and try and get to a second gear. Oh, she wants to smoke? Oh, she wants to smoke. All right, bet. so next day here, all I did from yesterday was actually switch the two-step function to 3,000 RPMs rather than 2,500. We'll go ahead and see if we can actually make it pop on command now. It's kind of doing it, but it might be because it's not warm enough yet. It is an operating temperature, but it just might not be right at that point yet. Man, it's doing it, but you can barely hear it. It's like baby pops. Okay, let's go ahead and get a first to third action. Guys, so the moment of truth, I've been waiting for this. It's actually nighttime now. We're driving the Cobra. We got to warm up the exhaust a little bit though, but we're actually heading over to my old elementary, which is out in the country, and there should be enough lighting, but not too much lighting, to where we can go ahead and test out if we shoot any flames. Now we have high flow cats. However, when we were having the EGR issues, I'll go ahead and input a clip, but we were shooting some flames when we were running really rich. So I'm very curious to see if we can run any flames right now.
1, 2, 3.
So right here, this is actually what we're gonna go ahead and pull into. I'm just gonna go ahead and warm up the exhaust a little bit, just drive down the road real quick, flip it and come back. Let's go ahead and just do a little bit baby pull, warm it up a little bit more. Alright, so let's go ahead and hopefully it works. So now that the exhaust is actually fully warmed up, so we're gonna go ahead and actually get a little bit of a two-step in there. Again, I cannot say this enough. Do not be doing this a lot. It will destroy your motor. You can go ahead and do this a little bit. I have high flow cats, which honestly I shouldn't be doing this in the first place with high flow cats. I'm gonna get them deleted hopefully soon. But again, I know it shot flames when we were having EGR issues, so I know it's possible. That's why we're doing this real quick. But we definitely just want to go ahead and see just a little bit of flame action. I can't have a Wot Box video without getting a little bit of flame action. So pretty much the two-step isn't actually shooting any flames at all right now, but the first method of getting it to the desired RPM that you have the launch set at on the Wot Box, and then doing the cutout, so pretty much you get to that RPM, you put the clutch in, you know, you just kind of use that foot movement. That actually is shooting a little bit, so we'll go ahead and keep trying to do that one. So Estrella was actually out here, the one recording it, so shout out to her as always. So was it able to shoot any flames? Because obviously I haven't seen the footage.
Yeah.
Okay, and she doesn't know how to do it. I could try to teach her, but that's probably going to be a lesson for another day, because we got to get going pretty much. I got work in a bit. So what do you think? Overall, yay, nay, yay? Good, medium, medium. honestly, it should be able to do a lot more once we open up the cats, because again, there are high flow cats, I believe. Completely off topic here, but I actually noticed that the fog lights are so bright that you can actually see the line shooting from underneath. That's actually pretty crazy. And then obviously we have the side marker here that shoot at the ground, but just something I just noticed right now. So there's a car that just pulled over there, so we're gonna go ahead and bounce. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So with that being said, hope you guys did enjoy. Really glad we finally got the Wot Box in. We hope to see some runs and it put into action soon. So that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys are not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. It would help out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.